In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Canva, all within just a few minutes. So if you've ever wondered how to neatly organize information or create structured layouts in your Canva designs, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva and open the project you're working on. This can be anything: a presentation, a social media post, a report, or even a flyer. Once you're inside your design, take a look at the left-hand toolbar. You'll see several options like templates, elements, text, and more. Now, click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps a huge collection of tools and graphics, everything from shapes and icons to charts and, yes, tables. Once the Elements panel opens, you'll notice a search bar right at the top. Type the word table into that search bar and hit enter. Canva will instantly display a variety of table styles you can choose from. Some are simple grids, while others are more creative layouts that you can customize further. Browse through the options and pick a table design that best fits your project. Once you've found the one you like, simply click and drag it onto your canvas. When you release your mouse button, the table will appear on your design, ready for editing. Now it's time to customize it. You can adjust the size of your table by clicking and dragging the corners or edges. This allows you to make it larger or smaller, depending on how much information you want to include. You can also reposition it anywhere on your design just by dragging it around. If you decide the table style you chose doesn't quite fit, no problem. Just delete it and drag a new one from the Elements panel. Canva makes it super easy to experiment until you find the perfect look. Next comes the fun part: adding your data. Click directly into any of the table cells and you can start typing right away. Whether you're adding names, numbers, lists, or any other kind of information, Canva lets you input everything quickly and neatly. Once your information is in, you can customize the appearance to match your design, change the font style, adjust the text size, align your content, or even modify the colors of the table lines and backgrounds. Canva gives you full control over how your table looks, so it blends perfectly with your overall design theme. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to add and customize a table in Canva. Tables are a great way to keep your information organized and professional looking, whether you're working on a presentation, infographic, or report. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Try adding a table to your next design and see how it instantly improves your layout and clarity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.